Let's go through this one as a class here because I know, as I said, I know not everyone's been here the last few days. Let's go through this as a class. So this is going to be. Okay. This is going to be a standard question for this. What equation are we going to use for this? Something that was here. Guys, this was here over the last few days. What equation are you using? Okay, go ahead, Sam. Yeah, go ahead. So it is. Okay, now I'm taking this very slowly for those people that weren't here, so I'm going to write out what this equation is and what everything means. Can I get 4 people to translate those letters in English and to then give me what the answer is going to be? Cody, go ahead. To 1. I is the interest rate. Good. .008. Okay, so what we did for this one is I is going to be your interest rate. So for the people who weren't here, it's going to be 10%, which changes to as a decimal 0.10. For everyone that was here, why is that divided by 12? I get the like 0.10, but why is it divided by 12? Yeah, because it says here, Taylor, because it says monthly, what you're going to, where's monthly? There we go. Because it says compounded monthly, you're going to divide your interest by that time. So 0.1 divided by 12. Now please notice it says 0.00833 and then ... In this case, it means as many 3s, Jake, as humanly possible. Okay, can I get a second person to tell me another letter and what it means in English, please? All right, go ahead. Good, starting value, good. What is the starting value in this case? Yeah, so Alex is starting with $80. Okay, you are rich. Okay, can I get another letter in English, please? Go ahead. Very good. A is going to be your ending value. Equals 200. Now again, for everyone in the class, I just wrote these 3 the letters there just for the people who weren't here, so they sort of get what we're doing here today. Everyone has to write the P, the A, the I, and the N. Okay, what does N stand for in English? What we're solving for? What's that going to be? Okay, yeah, it's going to be time. Which is going to be fine. Okay, questions on where the numbers come from? 80. You're starting with $80. That's your P. You're ending with 200. That's going to be your A. Your interest is 0.10, and you're dividing by 12 because it's monthly. That's going to be your decimal. All right, Jake, you're up. I'm going to write down again here just to keep my notes consistent. And again, people say, is that a 1? Yes, that's a 1. Okay, Jake. Okay, guys, there's far too much story, guys. I know you haven't seen each other in a long time. That makes you happy. But I can't teach you guys to talk in the background. Jake, let's go ahead. Where I plug in, please. 200. Yeah. 80 bracket 1 plus 0.00. Yeah. Awesome. Really, really good. Excellent. I got a new volunteer that has not raised her hand today, which is all for Angela. What are we going to do first? Divide by 80. So remember always, and we've seen these types of questions before with half-life. Like this should look familiar, this type of question. Okay, it's one of the variable the exponent. 200 divided by 80 is 25, thank you. I'm glad it didn't make me struggle too hard with that. And again, you want to just put as many 3s as humanly possible to fit in your calculator. Okay, your calculator, super calculator can do 25 3s and do 25 3s. All right, now here comes the magic moment, Cody. How do you get n by itself here? It's okay, I'll be it all extra fast. Alex, how do you get n by itself? Yeah, log 2.5 equals log 1.00833333. Now remember, for anyone here, and again, not just the people that were gone here, remember, whenever you have a variable in the exponent, we're going to use log. Okay? So then to get n by itself, exactly what Alex said, he skipped a step. So n is just going to be log 2.5 over log 1.008333. Okay, what do you technically have for that, Alex? 110.41. Okay, now this is, I'm let everyone scribble that down and ask questions. Everyone take out their calculator, Marilyn, and make sure you can get that number on your calculator, please. Take a second and actually make sure. Again, this is just like half-life, right? We've done these questions lots and lots before. All right, if you're unable to get that number, please raise your hand and let me know. If you need to borrow a calculator, please raise your hand and let me know. Thanks. Anybody else there? Okay, everyone got 110? You want to? In this unit, guys, it's very important. There's, again, today's today's lesson. There's going to be tons and tons of, like calculus. This is all calculus. This entire question calculus. Now, somebody give me a suitable therefore statement. What does 110 mean? This is the tricky part for this. This is sort of the, yeah, it's going to be months, okay? Because we're dealing with a monthly interest rate, so your time's also going to be in months in this case. So say there, therefore, it will take 110.412 months to buy this back on. Yeah, it's going to be, so somebody said it's going to take, Cody said it's going to take 9.201 years. That does take a long time. I'm going to hit pause and tell a story. The internet doesn't need to hear this story. I got to do my attendance. All right.